Pinterest sales funnel. What? Yeah, I know. I get this all the time. I've been working with brands and businesses for over 6 years, helping them with their Pinterest marketing. And in just the last few years, we have seen an explosion of digital products and online courses. Now has never been a better time to start using Pinterest to promote your digital products and online courses. But it seems that so many people aren't sure, one, if their audience is on there, two, how the heck to use the platform to promote their product, and really if they should be putting their valuable time and resources into promoting their digital products there. And I get it. Pinterest is this amazing place for crafters, foodies, DIY, home decor, beauty, fashion. But digital products, it is a trickier niche. But don't worry, I'm here to share some amazing tips and strategies with you that are really going to help you set up your Pinterest sales funnel for success and help you generate more interest, more leads, and more conversions from this powerful visual planning platform. Now, what I want you to think about first is how Pinterest is different than the other social media platforms. And I'm even hesitant to say that Pinterest is a social media platform. If you've heard it once, you've probably heard it a few times, that really Pinterest is more like a search engine, not like a social media platform, although we do cluster it in with social media apps. So it's a little bit of each depending on who you talk to. But I'm here to set you straight and let you know that Pinterest is more like Google than it is like Facebook or Instagram, okay? So it's not really social, it is a community, but it's not a place where we're going to chit chat, have those conversations with our customers. Instead, it's a top of funnel discovery planning platform. And that is very, very powerful if you have a product that solves a problem, offers a solution, inspires, or gives people an ability to plan something. You can insert yourself in their buyer's journey, their unique journey from beginning to purchase when it comes to the planning process, whether they're planning a move in their business, something in their life, or something in their home, you can become part of that story. We know that Pinterest users are spending 1.6 times the amount of money that social media users of other platforms are. And this is probably because it is a planning platform. People are going there to gather information and make a decision. And this is incredibly powerful to you as an online entrepreneur selling digital products or online courses. So, with that in mind, let's talk about your Pinterest sales funnel. Pinterest is just like every other social media platform in that it wants to connect users with valuable content that they might be interested in. But in this case, they really want you to think about how you can help or serve or inspire your ideal customer or your audience. So if your product does one of those things, you're going to want to start using Pinterest to rapidly grow your audience and get more people into your sales funnel. Now, how are Pinterest users different? The big difference that I see between people coming from Instagram or Facebook versus Pinterest is that they need context. They don't know who you are and why they should be buying from you. So you need to lay the groundwork to lay out that context of why, how, and who you are so that they can get to know you, establish, know, like, and trust through a comprehensive sales page or landing page. You're going to want to use almost blog style formatting when it comes to your lead magnets, your opt-ins, your content upgrades, or if you want to drive traffic right to a digital product or course. Now, I'm going to give you the heads up that if you have a higher ticket item, maybe a course that's $500 or $1,000, you need to think about how Pinterest users will perceive this high ticket item. They need 2 to 3 months before they make a decision as a buyer. So you need to think about how Pinterest is top of funnel. They discover you via the platform, but they need help along the way to get to know you about why they should be investing in you, your program, or your course. So you need to put in place those things to establish know, like, and trust, whether it's, establishing a relationship with them via Instagram or your Facebook community or your email list. You need to know that these are cold, warm leads. Now, Megan, what does that mean? I get it. It's confusing. They're warm in the sense that they're looking for you. They're looking for the solutions that you have to offer, but they're cold because they don't know you from a crow. So you need to think about what you need to put in place to help establish your authority and your expertise. You're going to want to look to get them on your email list or have them follow you on social so that you can begin to teach and engage them for free, because nobody's going to buy a high ticket item cold for $1,000 unless it's coming in with a really strong referral. So I want you to consider your landing pages, your conversion rates. Once you start driving traffic, remember, you need to serve your ideal customer and audience and give them incredible value so that they will want to join your email list or buy your product. Now, if you're driving traffic to a product, you're going to want to make sure that your visuals are very relevant and show exactly what the people are going to get when they get to your amazing website. And this is true for lead magnets as well. I see so many people focusing on just some text overlay or a beautiful stock photography photo. But listen, people need to know what they're going to. And how you can do that is by making sure that your picture tells the story. And when it doesn't, you need to get creative with your text overlay to really make sure that you are reaching your ideal customer using relevant text overlay or copy. The copy should really clarify what your message is, what they're going to get when they go to your website, and why they should want to buy the thing or sign up for your email list. So you are optimizing for an audience that needs context. You're using strong visuals that tell your story, and when they don't, you're going to use amazing text overlay to clarify your messaging. You're going to want to test different visuals. Different people like different visuals. So you're going to want to try out plain images, colorful images, different styles of text overlay. A/B test those visuals and see what assets work with your audience. And different things work for different people. Know that in the online entrepreneur space, this is probably the most difficult space on Pinterest because we are so small. But our audience is there. They're planning that next business move. They're thinking about how to up-level their business, how to take on a team, how to start using different forms of social media and improve their business. So absolutely, if you solve pain points of your customers, you are going to want to start using this powerful visual planning platform to drive sales into your funnel. I hope that you found this helpful. Subscribe to my channel. I'll be rolling out lots of amazing video tutorials that are going to help you master and DIY your Pinterest marketing efforts. Thanks so much, guys.